Who will repeat the answer? Who has taken down everything? Please repeat the answer for.
And your voice is not audible.
Has everybody written this?
Yes.
Can anybody read the answer for electron transfer chain reaction?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, read Abdul Hadi.
If define electron transfer. Electron transfer chain reaction is operated in mitochondria only. 3 molecules of ATP are obtained from each NADH2 molecule and 2 molecules of ATP from each FADH2 molecule. Besides ATP, molecules of CO2 and H2O are produced along with energy, and the molecule of glucose is completely oxidized in aerobic respiration.
Okay. Now you have to draw whatever is there on the board. That this this flowchart like thing you can draw for yourself in a small box so that you can remember your answer when you're learning. हो गया? Done? Okay. So please write, give the full forms of. Give the full forms of. ATP. And write adenosine triphosphate. NADH2. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. And FeDH2, flavin. Flavin adenine dinucleotide. Next question. What happens in Krebs cycle? Write the answer. If there is insufficient amount of carbohydrates, in the body, कब होता है ऐसे? बॉडी में कम कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होगा, क्यों ऐसे कम होगा? There are some parts of the food which contain carbohydrates, right? अगर वो बॉडी में नहीं रहे, especially I guess you will be having this during fasting, or if you are hungry, if you have not eaten for a very long time, so there will be a insufficient amount of carbohydrates in the body. So if there is insufficient amount of carbohydrates in body due to exceptional conditions like fasting, hunger, and hunger, then lipids and proteins are used for energy production. Then lipids and proteins, P-E-I-N-S. I don't want spelling mistakes. Huh? You all are doing a lot of spelling mistakes, and I can see some here. Lipids and proteins. See, that is my trick. Lipids and proteins are used for energy production. Lipids and proteins are used for energy production, full stop. Lipids are converted into fatty acids. Lipids are converted into fatty acids, proteins into amino acids, or amino acids, whatever you want to call. Full stop. Fatty acids and amino acids are converted into, what are they converted into? Acetyl CoA plus energy. Acetyl CoA plus energy. This is C. Fatty acids and amino acids are converted into acetyl CoA plus energy. This process is called as the Krebs cycle. This process is called as the Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle, and occurs in the mitochondria. And occurs in the mitochondria. Have you written? Okay. इसमें कंटिन्यू करो. The cyclical reactions of tricarboxylic, the cyclical reactions of tricarboxylic acid cycle. Shall I repeat? The cyclical reactions of tricarboxylic acid cycle. कुछ सुना सुना सा लग रहा है?
TCA cycle.
Yes, कल ही किया था हमने TCA cycle. It is the same thing. The cyclical reactions of tricarboxylic acid cycle was discovered by Sir Hans Krebs. Sir Hans Krebs. Hence this is also called as Krebs cycle. तो आपका कोई भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय Krebs cycle? What happens in Krebs cycle? और व्हाट इज द ट्राइकार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड साइकिल? तो तीनों का आंसर यही है. ठीक है, इसलिए हमने वो पहले नहीं दिया, अभी दिया. एंड नाउ यू आर क्लियर विद दिस. तो दिस वाज लाइक हाउ यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इन दिस होल प्रोसेस. सबने किया है ना? ये लिखा है. ओके, अभी लिखो डिफाइन एटीपी. Did I give you the answer? नहीं ना?
No.
ओके. एटीपी जिसे हमने फुल फॉर्म लिखा था ना, अभी एटीपी कोलन करके फिर से वो लिखे हैं, एडेनोसाइन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. इज energy rich molecule is energy rich molecule and energy is stored in the bonds by which energy is stored in the bonds by which phosphate groups are attached to each other. Phosphate groups are attached to each other. ATP is also called as energy currency of the cell. As energy currency of the cell. As energy currency of the cell. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखें. इसके बाद है ना आपको थोड़ी जगह छोड़नी है और एक डायग्राम बनाना है. प्रोसेस ऑफ एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन थ्रू एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट्स और एनाएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. ये दोनों अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है फाइन, उसमें से करें. आपके पास ई बुक है उसमें से करें, या तो फिर आप मुझे बोले तो मैं आपको फोटो भेज. दैट इज, इसमें नंबर नहीं दिया है, पेज नंबर 15 आ रहा है एंड टाइटल पे यही है, प्रोसेस ऑफ एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन थ्रू एरोबिक एंड प्रोसेस ऑफ एनर्जी प्रोडक्शन थ्रू anaerobic respiration.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you, I guess, have left okay, really one whole full page because it's a big diagram. एक के ऊपर एक आना पड़ेगा आपका diagram. You will have to leave one whole page. Then you write define fermentation. Define fermentation. I hope I finished this answer. अगर ये खत्म होने से पहले log out हो गए, don't worry, we'll do it tomorrow. Define fermentation. Glucose is incompletely oxidized. Glucose is incompletely oxidized and less amount of energy is obtained in anaerobic respiration. ANAEROBIC, anaerobic respiration. So that is the main difference, जिसमें fully oxidized नहीं, actually absence of oxygen है, तो जो भी अवेलेबल है उसमें से वो इनकम्प्लीटली ऑक्सीडाइज होता है ग्लूकोज इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ एनारोबिक रेस्पिरेशन. और उसमें 2 स्टेप्स है. पहला वाला ग्लाइकोलिसिस है जिसमें वो इनकम्प्लीटली ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ है, एंड द सेकंड स्टेप इज फर्मेंटेशन जो हम अभी देख रहे हैं. So first point you write it like glucose is incompletely oxidized and less amount of energy is obtained in the in anaerobic respiration. Second point, pyruvic acid produced through glycolysis Pyruvic acid produced through glycolysis is converted into other organic acids or alcohol with the help of some enzymes. In this process. This is called fermentation. I'll repeat from pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid produced through glycolysis is converted into other